progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Rickshaw puller approached the Uttar Pradesh police after he was served a notice by the income tax department asking him to pay over rupees 3 crore. Pratap Singh, a resident of Amar Colony in the Bakalpur area, submitted a complaint at the highway police station claiming fraud after he received the notice from the income tax department. Station house officer Anuj Kumar said no case was registered on the basis of Singh's complaint, but the police will look into the matter. Meanwhile, Singh uploaded a video clip on social media in which he narrated the sequence of events. He said on March 15th, he applied for a PAN card at the Jan Suvidha Kendra in Bakalpur as his bank had asked him to submit it. Subsequently, he got a colored photocopy of the PAN card, and since he is illiterate, he could not differentiate between an original PAN card and a colored photocopy of the same, the rickshaw puller said in the clip. He had to run from pillar to post for about 3 months to get his PAN card. Singh said he got a call from income tax officials on October 19th and was served a notice asking him to pay around 3 crore. He said the officials told him that someone had impersonated him and obtained a GST number on his name for running a business, and the turnover for the trader for the year 2018 and 19 was around 43 crore and 50 lakh. Singh said he was advised by the income tax officials to get an FIR launched as somebody had committed a fraud impersonating him.